Okay, I'm back. I'm back. Let's just say technical difficulties because I don't know why me entering my trading view app on my phone did that. So, yep. But yeah, we're back. We're back in business. And still nothing happening. Still have nothing. So, yeah, I pretty much showed my house address. Back in business. Let's move on. Let's pump up the likes. Likes. Okay, so we still have the market super choppy doing nothing. Nothing. Okay. This is so dumb. Like, what's going on? The it's most likely uh maybe it's Gillen, I don't know. But the market's moving super weird today. And we have some big announcement at 11. I don't want to be I don't want to have that title on YouTube. I don't want to have that title on YouTube. Maybe I need to use a VPN. Maybe. But that's gonna mess up everything that I already have on this computer. Well, at least you guys know that I'm not lying that I live in Miami. Apple News. Yeah, I think that's what it's gonna come up at 11 because the government is suing Apple. I think so. Yeah. I think that's the news at 11. Oh yeah, look at Apple. Apple is dying. By doing nothing. So far, Microsoft is holding very good this support, but if loses that support, most likely it's gonna fill the gap till yesterday high. AMD very, very weak. But that's pretty much it. Like, we have nothing. Nothing. Google is not looking good at all. What a boring day. Yeah, such a weird day. I was definitely not expecting these choppiness today. Hmm, let's see. Okay, so NQ, I'm sorry, QQQ, rejecting all these levels, that's the resistance. So it's moving above and below previous all-time high. So yeah, I think as long as Microsoft can hold this support, it's bullish. Same with Nvidia. If it can hold yesterday high, it's bullish. But everything is looking pretty weak. Mm. Two accounts. I burn more than two PAs. Yeah, I'm I lost a bunch of PAs and evils. Like, yeah, a lot. That's normal. But you can buy as many as you want and try it as many as you want. Try and pass as many as you want. I'm gonna give it a try till 11. If at 11 we don't have a clear like trend, I'm out. Because this is not even worth watching. Are you guys red or green better than me? Hopefully. Hopefully better than me. Yeah, I don't see any. The only chart that I really liked is Microsoft. If keep holding here. But nothing else. Nothing else. Yeah, it's definitely better to just wait for a clear direction. Ooh. The queue is definitely looking weak. Let's see. No, not, yeah, it's not looking strong at all. And that's the problem that I have to play in the upside, even though Spa is looking like it wants to boom boom here. Look at the 30 minutes. I don't like when you have huge gaps below. So we have important data, well, not data, like news, regardless the Apple suit at 11. We have Bonds at 1. We have Yellen speaking in the Congress. IWM, let's see. Oh yeah, that was the trade, yeah, and I missed it. IWM definitely was the trade. Shoot, I completely forgot about this one. Like I was looking at here, and then I changed my chart, and I completely forgot about IWM. But yeah, that was the trade. That was the trade. I had it on my watch list at 207 level. So basically, that was the level to watch to play the upside or a rejection there. But yeah, that was the trade. Not much we can do now. Well, this level is still acting as support. I'm sorry, as resistance. Yeah. And 208 on IWM was my target, which is what it is right now. So that was a very good plan, but missed the entry. Is the Q going for the gap? It's fighting there. Yeah, so I don't see anything that I love. Um, Read only Microsoft, which I'm gonna hold. Um, Unless it breaks 426 something. Nvidia, I'm gonna keep holding it unless it breaks yesterday high. Where else? And that's it. Even if SPY breaks this high here, this resistance, I don't want to trade this upside. Okay, so we have Apple being very weak. Google also very bearish. Let's see, Meta is trying to hold there, but it's also looking bearish. Um, what else? AMD, clear downtrend. See coin. Ooh, coin. If you can hold 270 on coin, that will be very, very good and definitely very bullish. Let's see, Amazon, what's doing? Fighting the 180 level. So looking at the 30-minute candle here, we basically have the Q holding the support here, moving in a very tight range. SPY is looking pretty bullish on the 30 and 5-minute time frames. But yeah, nothing that I love besides Microsoft. I hate days like today. Days like today are so boring. Thank you, Kin. Thank you. Microsoft is starting to, I'm sorry, Amazon is starting to look kind of weak, rejecting 180, that 180 level. We have traps everywhere. Even if the Q is like very choppy, if the Q can hold this level here on the 30-minute time frame, that may be bullish. And if Nvidia can hold the VWAP, that's gonna help the Q hold here. Yeah, because I like these 30-minute candles here on the Q. I don't know, for me it looks like the market doesn't want to go lower. Even with that, with Google and Apple dying and having bad news, the market looks like it doesn't want to go lower. So if I take out the VWAP and the 90 MA because both are doing nothing, um, it's maybe flagging, maybe. So this is what is going on with Apple, which I don't think they're wrong. I think they're right. Apple does have a they do like very sauce thing whenever they come up with a new iPhone. We all know that Apple makes the oldest iPhone go slower, so people go and change and buy the new one. So we know Apple is kind of like not the best company out out there. Okay, look this change on the queue. That is changing bullish. We have finally Nvidia going above the VWAP. Are we gonna have some continuation here? You work at Apple? You work at Google? Ozempic? You should sell it on the side. You make a fortune selling it on the side. Anyone who works at Nvidia, AMD, bro, IWM. I'm so mad I completely forgot this one, about this one. I was looking 207. It was a perfect support. I was looking this chart and it was around here. I almost got in, but I chicken out because I saw the Q and SPY being bearish. So I was like, I don't know if I want to enter here. And then I changed the chart and completely forgot about this one. And look, that was a beautiful break, retest, and then boom. These one definitely have a clear uptrend, clear setup, no choppiness. But whatever, we'll find another one, maybe tomorrow. But I think our Nvidia and Microsoft trades are looking good. We have over six more minutes for the 30-minute candle to close. I wanted to see a closing green, or maybe very thin like that. So it's an indecision candle, and the next one also holding the support, and that for me would be bullish. So yeah, so far still in consolidation mode. SPY definitely looks like it wants to boom boom. But we have nothing. Maybe today is one of those days that in the morning the market does nothing, and then we have a huge move in the afternoon, which I know I'm gonna miss. Maybe, most likely, yeah. I'm hungry. What do you mean? All your accounts, you just select, you put it on the group. So it's gonna show you whatever it's on the group. They're gonna show you together by groups. But you gotta make the groups first. Yeah, and another reaction here. Today looks like a good day to just sell premium. And that's it. Do nothing, just sell premium. Weekly premium. Let's see. Let's sell SPY premium calls for tomorrow. No, but they're super cheap. IWM, let's see IWM. Not juicy enough. Let's see Microsoft or Nvidia. The 950, 970. Mm, or next week, 28th on SPY. Mm, no, I don't like anything. Look at IWM, just keeps going and going. Oh, it's 11 and the market's doing nothing, so I'm leaving. This is so boring. I hate days like today. Days like today are the days that before having the stream, I will look this choppiness, I'm out. Bye. This is nothing to do here. Nothing to trade here. At least right now. I like Nvidia. I like my trade, the contracts that I have on Nvidia. It's looking beautiful so far. Yeah, Nvidia's looking pretty good. I like Microsoft also. And Mara is also holding pretty good. So I'm happy with my options trade. Not happy with my futures. I got chopped around 3 times. Three? Yeah, 3 times in the morning. So I'm not gonna keep trying here, even though I like this consolidation here on the Q. And I like how Nvidia is changing direction here and is using the VWAP as support. Mara is looking fantastic also, and Microsoft is doing nothing, but it's holding support. So I'm holding those three options play. Maybe now we have a strong, like, this is what I like about the Q. The Q is holding pretty good this low here, and looks like on the 30 minute it looks like a consolidation on maybe a flag. I don't love how SPY is right at resistance and the Q is at support. It's fighting this 448 previous all-time high, but maybe it's gonna break out of this flag. I don't know, but I don't want to keep like hoping and praying and crossing my fingers for that. So only A plus setups, guys. So yeah, thank you for being here. Sorry, this was a pretty boring stream, but there's nothing we can do about this choppiness. So thank you. I'll be here tomorrow. Yeah, for sure. I'll be here tomorrow on the stream. So see you guys mañana. Bye.